Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to our video 44 sounds in focus. Today we will be focusing on the n sounds. It is a nasal sound, which means the air come out through your nose when you say it. Let's find out more about it together.
Why is this happen?
The n sound is a voice alveolar nasal. Voice means your vocal cords will vibrate. Try to say it while touch your throat. N. You will feel it burst. Alveolar means your tongue touch the ridge just behind your upper teeth. So when you say n, your tongue will block the air in your mouth and the sound will go out through your nose. Say it with me. N, n, n.
Alright, now let's look at some word with the n sound. Let's go!
Nose, nose.
Nice, nice.
Night, night.
Name, name.
Alright, here's a tip for you guys. First, put your tongue behind your teeth, and that's where the n sound lives. And second, when you want to say the n sound, close your mouth and let the sound come from your nose. You can practice with mirror or tongue twister. For example, 9 naughty gnomes named Nick.
The n sound is usually easy for the English speakers, but for Malaysian learners, sometimes it may be confused, especially in the words m, ng, and l. So for example, n and m, no, no, and mo, no, and mo.
For example, sin and sing. Sin and sing.
That's all for today's sounds.
The n sounds.
Thank you for watching.
Bye!